the Bruyn spreadsheet enables fast, effective, accurate beverage recipe cost. Here is how to navigate the Bruyn spreadsheet model. There are 6 main columns where all core product information is to be stored. This enables the rest of the costing process to follow through. Note that the first 4 columns are not locked. This is so that you can add your own inventory list to it. Another thing that is worth mentioning is the recipe cost will always pull the after-tax price, but not to worry. If you prefer using the before-tax price, then go to the 4th column named tax rate and insert 0. This will then not include the calculation for tax and will render the after-tax price to be exactly the same as the before-tax price. Step 1. In the first column names product, this is where you will enter your inventory list. Step 2, in the second column named ml, ounces, this will be the column where you will insert the related bottle quantity. Step 3, in the third column named before tax price, this is where you will enter the product price without tax. Step 4, in the fourth column named tax rate, this will be the column where you will enter the appropriate tax rate of your relevant country. Step 5, scroll to right-hand side of the spreadsheet until you see the recipe blocks. In the dark blue column written recipe name, write your recipe in next to it. Step 6, go to the column named ingredient. Here you will see that there is a drop-down list where you can select any product from your inventory list. Select all your ingredients from the drop-down list. Step 7, go to the column named amount used to enter the desired quantity. For example, enter 25 milliliters for a single measure or 30 milliliters for 1 ounce. Step 8, go to the column named number of measures. The amount that you will enter in this column will depend on whether you are doing recipe cost per drink or whether you are doing recipe cost per entire bottle volume. For example, if you put in the second column named amount used, 25 or 30 for a single measure, then you will enter 1 in the number of measures column. If you enter 750 in the amount used column, then you will have to enter 30 or 15, depending on whether you are planning on using single measures or double measures. Step 9. In the 9th column named factor, here you will enter your pricing factor based on your desired product cost percent. There are examples of pricing factors on the far right-hand side of the page. Remember that the pricing factor will determine the selling price as it affects the product cost percent directly. Please note that depending on the total amount of beverage items that you will use for your recipe, you will get the selling price total in that row as illustrated in the video. So that's all for today, folks. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.